We are living in the age of artificial intelligence, where this advanced technology not only changes how we live and work, but also opens up countless opportunities for making money online. Have you ever thought about using AI to generate passive income? In this video, I will reveal some lesser-known methods of using AI to earn money from affiliate marketing. I will guide you on how to create an online store with multiple products and then use AI to make your products more appealing with beautiful images and promotional videos to drive traffic to your store. Ready to explore how AI can help you increase your income? Stay tuned until the end of the video to not miss any important details. First, you need to search for products to advertise. Amazon is a great choice. So, let's start with Amazon affiliate marketing. For illustration purposes, I will choose men's sports shoes. We will create a store with various types of men's sports shoes. To start with Amazon's affiliate program, you first need to visit the Amazon Associates website. This is Amazon's official affiliate marketing program, where you can register an account and start earning money by promoting Amazon products. In the top right corner, you will see the Sign Up button. Click on it to start the registration process. After filling in the necessary information, you will receive a unique affiliate ID. This is the ID that Amazon uses to track the orders you refer and to calculate your commissions. Next, open your Google Sheets. Create a table with 5 columns: product, price, description, link, and image. Let me explain in detail. In the product column, enter the name of the product you want to promote. The price column contains the product's selling price. The description column contains the product description. In the link column, enter the affiliate link of the product. Simply go to Amazon, select the product, and get your affiliate link. Finally, in the image column, place the product's image. Just go to Amazon, right-click on the product image, open it in a new tab, copy the image link, and paste it into the image column. Alright, after completing all the product information, it's time to set up your online store. Spread Simple will help you with this. Move down to the video description, where I will place the website link. Start for free by clicking Get Started. Then, the website will take you to the account registration page. Simply click Sign Up with Google account. Now, just set up your store by clicking the plus icon. Here, you will see many templates to choose from. Select a suitable website template for you. You can preview these templates by clicking View. Browse through the templates, and if you find one you like, select it by clicking Use Template. Be patient and wait for the system to load the website template for you. After the system has created the website for you, let me guide you on editing the website. At this point, go back to your Google Sheets. Click the Share icon. In the Restricted section, select Anyone with the link. Next, click Copy Link, then go to your website. Here, you will see the Change Source Sheet option. Click on it. Next, simply delete all the old links and replace them with the link you just copied from your Google Sheets. Finally, click Submit and watch the magic happen. Congratulations, your online store is almost complete. Now, we just need to finish a few more settings. Don't worry, I will guide you in detail to complete it. The first step is to go to the Title section. Here, choose the product. Next, in the Subtitle section, choose Description. Then in the Price section, select Price, and in the Image section, check the box for the link and image. Next, go to the Primary Button settings and rename the Buy button, for example, Buy Now. You can also customize the color of your Buy button. Scroll down and check the box for the link. Here, you will see the Link for Redirect section. Select the link. This means when someone clicks the Buy button, the website will redirect them to your affiliate link. Keep the rest as is and click Save. In the Design section, you can customize the appearance of your website with dark or light colors. Next, go to the Home Page Intro section. Rename the store as you wish. In the Page Subtitle section, you can write a few lines introducing your store. Finally, in the Logo section, you can upload a logo image for the store and click Save. After editing, just click Publish. Here, you need to set a domain name. If you are using the free version, you will have to use the system's default domain name. If you want to connect your own domain, you need to upgrade to the paid version. So your website has been published. Now copy the website link and check how it works. When people click the Buy button, they will be redirected to Amazon, where if they purchase, you will earn a commission from Amazon. Similarly, if you want to add new products to the store, just fill in the information in the Google Sheet. Then, change the link from the Google Sheet to the new link and click Submit. The website will automatically sync with the data on the Google Sheet and update the new products to your store. That's it for setting up your online store to start your affiliate marketing campaign. Now, if you want to make sales, you need to get traffic to your store. Therefore, we need to set up a promotional campaign. In this step, we will use two methods: image promotion and video promotion. The secret is to use artificial intelligence to do this. First, let's use the image promotion method. The website I want to introduce to you is flair.ai, a unique platform that uses artificial intelligence to create professional and unique product models. This is a great tool for creating beautiful product images based on your products. To start, you can sign up for a free account by simply entering your email address or using your Google account. Then, create a new project and go to the Product section. Upload your product image and click Remove to automatically remove the background. Next, describe your product briefly in the required dialog box. For example, bottle, box, or can. Remember to keep the description short. Click Continue. Here, you can create a prompt as you wish or use some available templates. The system provides many great templates, helping you create impressive images. For example, when you select a template, you will see the corresponding prompt. You can also add other elements in the Elements section. Finally, just click Generate. In a few seconds, your artwork will be created. When you are satisfied with the image, just download it in PNG format and use it as you wish. Okay, after creating a series of beautiful and professional product images, the next important step is to spread them to the audience, attracting attention and traffic to your product store. Pinterest is a great choice to achieve this goal. It is an online space for sharing images and creative ideas. Users can create boards to organize and store images, videos, and links they love. With its huge traffic, Pinterest becomes a destination to find potential customers. The simple step today is to register an account on Pinterest and create your first pins by dragging and dropping the product images just created by our excellent AI tool. Add a title, description, and don't forget the most important step is to add a link to your online store. When your amazing images capture the hearts of customers, they won't hesitate to click the link and be taken to your online store. Here, they will explore a variety of products, and when they decide to shop, you will earn a commission from Amazon. Moreover, you can post these images on all your other social media. Now, we will use the video promotion method. To do this, we need to create professional product promotional videos. Once again, we need AI support. In this part, I will introduce you to a tool that helps create review videos from any product link on Amazon. Click the link in the description. It will take you to the Creatify AI website. Register an account using email or Google account. After successful registration, you will see the Creatify AI interface like this. To create product promotional videos from any Amazon link, select URL to Video Ad Maker. Now choose Create Now. Here, you will see two options: Upload manually and Analyze URL. If you choose Upload manually, you will do it manually. We will choose Analyze URL. Now, just paste the Amazon product URL here, very simple. You will see AI has analyzed the data and received product information. Next is the video settings. Here you can choose the aspect ratio, video length, target audience, for example, outdoor enthusiasts. Finally, choose the country language. In this video, we will select English. Next, choose the script. You will see 4 scripts in 4 different styles. Just choose one of the 4 scripts and proceed to the next step. Now, you just need to choose the visual style and preview.
Hey everyone, just tried the Jumra Whiten men's running shoes and wow, talk about comfort meeting durability. Light, supportive with a great natural feel for any terrain. Grab yours and feel the difference on your run.
If not satisfied, you can change the avatar, voiceover, aspect ratio, and background music. Not only that, you can edit manually. Alright, if satisfied with the video, select Render to allow the tool to create the video for you. It will cost 5 credits per video if you agree to render. If using the free version, your video will have a watermark. After agreeing to render, just wait a few minutes to have a professional product promotional video, then download it. Now you can use this video to promote your store. A tip for good results. I recommend creating a YouTube channel and uploading these videos, then pasting your store link in the video description. You can also create short videos to post on other social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or even Pinterest to drive more traffic to your store. This will help increase conversions, meaning you earn more income. That's it. I will end this tutorial video here. I would love to hear about your experiences, so leave a comment below if you have any questions. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel to not miss any great tutorials next. Thanks for watching.